The OnePlus Nord 4 will be very different from any other existing 5G smartphones, and the entire internet is just flooded with leaks. Forget about leaks, OnePlus themselves can't really contain the excitement. It is just post after post after post. Someone actually even commented.
I think I bought my OnePlus 12 very soon.
Really comfortable.
Very solid, very strong. Really love the texture. Attracts the gaze. Very well.
Horizontal design.
So I'm pretty sure it will be an unique design. This color is a part of the leak. It is not official. Here are the official shades. By the way, I'm not just going to cover this phone in this video, but the OnePlus Pad 2, so make sure to watch till the end. This Nord will be the slimmest Nord ever. I mean, the thickness is less than 1 centimeter, which is 0.8 centimeter. They're advertising the build as an all-metal build, but GSM Arena mentioned there will be a small glass window in the top part at the back to allow for various connectivity points of the phone to function. There is an alert slider on the top left part of the phone, and this thing also comes with an IR blaster. So you can use your phone as a remote even in devices which aren't smart. Super handy feature. Every phone should have this. Okay, since we are on the back side, let us talk about the cameras. There are two in the back. The main camera is a 50 megapixel along with the 8 megapixel ultra-wide. Now I don't know if this same camera would act as a macro, but anyway, I guess we will find out. And of course, there will be a front camera of 32 megapixels. The processor is the latest Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3. It is a decent processor. You get on-device AI and all, and even better AI in terms of camera, video or photos. Performance-wise, this will be a nice chip. Smooth performance in day-to-day tasks and moderate gaming. For RAM, the handset may offer up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM along with storage up to 512 GB of not UFS 2.2, not 3 but UFS 4.0. This will be a large phone with a display of size 6.74 inch, AMOLED of course, and 1.5K resolution, 120Hz refresh rate along with in-display fingerprint sensor, and yes, the rebranded version of ColorOS, which is OxygenOS. Talking about the system software, this device is expected to get 6 years of software updates. This includes 4 years worth of OS updates and 6 years worth of security updates. So Android 14 may go up to Android 18 on this device. And the last update will be pushed on the year 2030. Okay, 5500 mAh of battery with support for up to 100 watts fast charging. Now that is fast. Dual speakers, which is great, and last but not the least is the X-axis linear motor. Excellent haptics at the price of around 28,000 rupees. It is expected to be priced at 30k, but there might be some card discounts to bring down the price to 28k. Okay, next is the OnePlus Pad 2. Packing in the premium Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, Gen 3 mostly focuses on AI. You get a lot of on-device AI features, which even includes text generation, image generation, AI video object eraser, night video and more. Decent 8 GB of RAM in the base variant along with 128 GB of storage, 12 GB RAM with 256 GB storage in the higher variant. Color option revealed is Nimbus Grey. This metallic finish adds the premium touch. It looks so good. And yes, there will be accessory options like stylus, smart keyboard and the folio case as expected. Leaks claim there will be 6 speakers, no info on the tuning as of now. 9150 mAh of battery with 67 watt SuperVOOC fast charging. There will be a decent 13 megapixel back camera and an 8 megapixel front camera. The display is large, 12.1 inch, 144Hz IPS LCD, 900 nits of peak brightness, and expected to run Android 14 with the OxygenOS skin. OnePlus may guarantee 3 years of feature updates along with 4 years of security updates. Here is a comparison of the OnePlus Pad with the OnePlus Pad 2 side by side. The specs are pretty good for the around 42,000 rupee price tag. It will basically be the relaunch of the Chinese exclusive OnePlus Pad Pro in India with some minor changes.